What up, y'all, and welcome back to the FitMenCook kitchen. With the fall right around the corner and the summer coming to an end, we're back to school, back to university, back to work, all your vacation time. No. So today I got a solution. These are meals that you can make in 10 minutes or less with some common ingredients that you may already have in your fridge or pantry, or they're easy to snag from the grocery store. I love all of these. You're gonna love them too because they're really big on flavor, and it's gonna shock you what you can do in just 10 minutes. If you're ready to roll up your sleeves and if you got 10 minutes to spare, then let's get started. Let's make a loaded barbecue stuffed sweet potato. You're gonna take a sweet potato, poke some holes in it, grab a microwavable safe bowl, add in a few tablespoons of water, add the sweet potato, and you're gonna microwave this for 6 to 8 minutes. Now while that's cooking up, we're gonna save some time and you can either use canned chicken or some rotisserie chicken. We're gonna add in our favorite barbecue sauce, mix it all together, and pop this in the microwave for the final 2 minutes of cooking along with the sweet potato. Be careful because it's hot. Add your barbecue chicken, and then just add some toppings. I'm gonna add some Greek yogurt instead of sour cream. Hit it with a little bit of cheddar and some chives, and some cracked pepper if desired. 10-minute Greek salad stuffed pita. Start out with some romaine, tear or chop it into pieces. To a mixing bowl, you're gonna add the lettuce, some cherry tomatoes, Kalamata olives, some onion, oregano, and some feta. For an optional ingredient, you can also add in some chicken. Drizzle with some olive oil and toss together. Grab some wheat pita bread or whatever you can find, and I like to double stuff mine, then just stuff with the salad. How good does this look? Fire up a nonstick skillet, toss in some bell pepper and some canned artichoke hearts. Save the juice. We're gonna use the juice in a second. After about 2 minutes, it should look like this. Then we're gonna add in some mixed greens. I have some spinach and some arugula, and I'm gonna use some of the juice from the artichoke hearts to create steam in the skillet. Grab a whole wheat tortilla. I'm gonna add some mozzarella. I'm gonna sprinkle in some za'atar, or you just use whatever herb that you would like. Then we're gonna take our wilted vegetables. Beautiful, kind of like having a dip in a quesadilla. And then fold it close. I'm gonna add just a teaspoon of butter. You can use olive oil if you want. I think the butter helps the flavor the quesadilla a little bit more. You can use vegan butter, you can use salted butter. That's your business, as Tabitha Brown says. A crowd favorite, loaded avocado toast. Boil some water, set the oven to broil, add some cherry tomatoes to a baking tray, and we're gonna broil these for a few minutes. Mash up an avocado, and I like using these small ones for portion control. Lime, salt, pepper. With our water boiling, we're gonna poach an egg. I like to make a circular motion like this. Get the water moving first, and then drop the egg in. You can't have avocado toast without the toast. I'm gonna lightly toast some bread. Add the avocado, some broiled tomatoes, hit it with some more salt, top it off with our poached egg. Just a little garnish with some red onions, black pepper, some chili flakes, and just some microgreens for garnish because God's been good. Quick and easy shrimp scampi. We're gonna cut some of the saturated fat by not using as much butter and substituting in olive oil. And once that's melted, we're gonna toss in some garlic. Be careful not to burn the garlic, so control that heat. As it's cooking up, sprinkle in some salt, a kick with some red pepper, and of course some black pepper. Beautiful, nice and fragrant. Then we're gonna add in either some white wine or some chicken broth. And we're gonna let this reduce down to about half. Should take about 3 minutes. Then you're gonna toss in your shrimp, and depending on how big they are, it may affect the cooking time, and you'll know they're done when they are plump and pink. Look at that nice color on there. Beautiful. Oh, just brings everything together. And you can enjoy this with some pasta or some leftover rice. So that is it for today's video, y'all. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite meal. And also share your own 10-minute meal preps that you've been making for years that we could all get some ideas from and some inspiration for the kitchen. If you are new to the channel, what up? How you doing? Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, you have to ring the bell so that way you can be notified every time hot new content is posted here in the FitMenCook kitchen. And also catch up on At the Table podcast, wherever you choose to get your podcast. It's atthetabletalks.com, or just type in At the Table wherever you choose to get your podcast. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Until next time, keep it healthful, but of course, never, ever boring. Boom! Peace.